Caleb Armbrust with the NFSA, Larry Sander Victaulic, the chairman of the membership committee, and we're with Ryan Fogelman, our newest NFSA member.
Yes, we're excited.
Wanted Ryan to tell us a little bit about what Fire Rover does and how it interacts with the fire protection world.
Our continuous flow, we just got FM approval. It's under 6 different standards, 6 different tests. And so really what that's given us is the ability on the continuous flow. So that is, build the system the exact same way you would, but you would spec in for primary. You can now spec in Fire Rover. And what is Fire Rover? So basically Fire Rover is early detection. We look at, we verify, and then we have human beings who will look, verify, and then they can react and respond. So we use FLIR cameras, we use optical flame, and we use smoke for steam analytics, and then we also have AI, and then it all goes, every tie goes to a human, and then that human is basically, they look at it and they can react and respond appropriately.
Kind of Detroit, right? The joysticks around the nozzle and
so
the fire.
Tier 1 team's in Detroit, and then we do have a UL 5-diamond FM approved central stations. Last year we put out 268 fires, 100, half of those were battery fires.
And not all of those fires happen in an environment with an overhead roof anyway, where you could have a traditional sprinkler system. A lot of those are outside or uncovered. And
a lot of those are outside. They have 60-foot ceilings, 50-foot ceilings, and that's really where we're best, right? I mean, in industrial facilities with high ceilings, good line of sight, and then outdoors.
Well, we've talked for a few years, and it's exciting to have a new sort of an innovative company on board. As we work to solve the fire problem.
It's helpful, and we appreciate you guys bringing us on and helping us in.
Thank you.
So thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Awesome.
Thank you.